Yes. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, that'll work. Thank you. Yep, have a good day. Alrighty. It doesn't like Cheerios? No, it said no, Gunnar.
He's saying no.
It said no, Gunnar. Wait, let me see if you like this. Hold on.
Kitty cat, no.
He said no, Gunnar. Unbelievable. Alright, I'm still.
He's still shaking his head.
Likes cheese?
Maybe, there's a car coming.
Still got it there?
Yeah. You can come.
Let's see if it likes cheese, Gunnar.
Can birds have cheese? I don't know.
I don't. Have they ever had bratwurst? Beer brats? Do you like that? No. All right, hold on.
He doesn't like.
All right.
I don't
I'm
even.
working on it. Give me a minute.
Mm-hmm.
There we go. You still recording?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Do you like bread?
No.
You already know you don't like bread?
Yeah.
Really? Do you like carrots? Are you sure? Try one.
Ooh, I think you like the taste of that one.
I think it likes carrots.
No.
You want this one? How about if I just put a bucket here? Here. See if you like chicken. That's chicken noodle soup, homemade by me. Go ahead, try it. Back up a little bit. Try it. You don't eat out of a dish? Okay.
No, the cat's coming. Scare the cat away.
Here.
Oh, Mom, back up.
You like chicken? It's chicken.
Yeah. Back up.
It likes homemade chicken noodle soup. And carrots. Here. Any other cats trying to get it?
It's Kaylee.
Isn't that awesome?
Mm.
That bird is huge. It likes the chicken the most. God bless you. God bless you.
It's a cannibal.
It is a cannibal. Oh no! It is. Should I be feeding it that? That's immoral. I shouldn't be doing that. Immoral. Immoral.